In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix SMS not delivery on iPhone. So you can see this particular message I got here, not delivered. I was trying to send this on my iMessage and I was slammed with not delivered. This implies that this SMS was not going through and I couldn't send this message to the recipient. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue on your iPhone. So if I don't know this video, find this video helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So the first thing you want to do when you want to fix SMS not delivered on your iPhone is go to your phone settings. Then scroll down and click on messages. Once you click on messages, now to fix SMS not delivered on your iPhone, turn on this feature. With this feature turned on, if iMessage is not working due to poor network or unavailability, you will be able to send normal SMS using this, and SMS not delivered on your iPhone will be fixed. Now let's go back. Since this is turned on, let's go back to my iPhone message page and click on this information icon and then tap the try again button. Once you hit that, then you should see the message sent on your iPhone. So whenever you see message or SMS not delivered on your iPhone, all you need to do is make sure you turn on send as SMS. So if this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.